Want to know how to get help in Best Buy through live chat or chatbots? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your bestbuy.com website. So you can just simply open up your favorite web browser and type in bestbuy.com and log in. So we have also created similar videos regarding Best Buy on how to log in and stuff like that. So make sure to watch it. It's on our channel. So once you've done everything, here on the bottom right side you should be seeing this customer support icon right here. You can just simply select that. So this is where you can get help. So first things first, you can just simply ask your chatbot. So if that still doesn't work, what you can do is you can just simply prompt it up just like this right here. And now if that still doesn't work, you can also head on to live chat as well. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.